Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on custom imported parts. All imported parts will behave like standard Vention components and will work with all shortcuts. There are two methods to import a component. The first is by going to the menu and selecting CAD file import, and the second is by going to My Models and selecting Import Parts. This will open the part import window to get you started. The supported file formats are seen on screen. Upload your file by clicking on Select File and drag the file into the window or double-click to select. The next step of adding connection points is optional. These will allow you to attach the imported part to the Vention assembly. Add a connector by clicking on the Add Connector icon and snapping it to the desired location on your component. You can edit the connector by first selecting it, then clicking on Edit Connector. From here, you can change its location and orientation. Click elsewhere to confirm. Once finished with the connectors, select Next to move on to the properties. The first thing you should do here is give your part a descriptive name. The other editable fields, such as dimensions, weight, assembly time, and description, are optional, with the most important one being the privacy, where you can set the visibility of your part to yourself only, your team, or the Vention community. The last step before importing your part is to take a snapshot. This will be the thumbnail used for your imported part. To complete the process, select Import. All of your imported parts can be found under the My Models section of your parts library.